Hi, so we've got our new Spinlock 6D life jackets. We were looking for something, well, we needed something slightly beefier, sort of for offshore. The ones we've got are absolutely fine, maybe a little bit more coastal. And we also wanted something that didn't have sort of metal buckles and a little bit more compact, but still had all and more features in it. And yeah, and this is actually a little bit lighter than what we've been using before. Things we like, the heavy-duty plastic buckle on it. Our other one's got metal buckle on it, which does catch and scratch things and bash around a little bit. The harness strap, or the strap under here, sort of the crotch strap's much heavier duty than we had before. And probably the best thing about it, we went for the harness release system, the HRS system, which basically you pull a toggle here and it will release your tether. The only time you'd ever really need to do that, obviously you'd hopefully never have to do that, would be if you had managed to fall off the boat. Obviously you're tethered on and you're being dragged along the side of the boat. The other option, traditionally, you'd have a small knife specifically for the purpose of cutting a tether. Again, something you'd never want to do. But the thought of being dragged on the side of the boat, trying to find a little knife and doing something with it doesn't bear thinking about. So this is a simple pull toggle. It will release this and the tether will come off. Again, hopefully, sort of thing it will never be used, but it's a much, much safer system.